almost didn't see you there. How are you doing today? I was just reading a book. I love books. Do you love books? Today I was reading this book. It's called Health. I was in section 6.2 on page 185, reading all about infectious diseases and defenses. Do you know what an infectious disease is? An infectious disease is a disease that can spread by pathogens. Is that what you said? Yeah, I figured. Sometimes infectious diseases can seem scary. But I think if we have a better understanding of what they are and how they're caused, maybe some of that fear will go away. Do you want to learn about infectious diseases today? You do? You know what that means. Let's grab our powerful piece of paper. Oh, look! Our powerful piece of paper already has its first clue. I bet my friend Stu wrote our first clue. Hey, have you met my friend Stu? Yeah, he's a pretty cool guy. Maybe we'll run into him later. Let's see what Stu wrote. Clue number 1 says, oh no, I just remembered. I don't know how to read. Can you help me read? You can. How about I show you what clue number 1 says, and then you can share with me. What did clue number 1 say? Starts with a B and ends in acteria. Huh. I wonder how we're going to solve this clue. Any ideas? I know. Let's do our thinking dance. Do you want to dance with me? You do? All right. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, think with me. Can you do that? You can. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, think with me. I got it. We can find a dictionary and look up all the words starting with the letter B. Do you like that idea? Now what room would we find a dictionary? I know. In the kitchen. It's in our book pantry. Which way's the book pantry? It's that way. Let's go. We made it to our book pantry. Why don't we take a look? Is this a dictionary? It's not. Is this a dictionary? It's not. What shape is a dictionary? A rectangle. Okay, let me look for a rectangle. Is this a rectangle? It's not. Is this a rectangle? It is. What's that? Oh, but it's not a dictionary. Let me keep looking. I can't find a dictionary, but you know what I did find? Our health book. Let's see if this can help us out. I found it! Bacteria is a word that starts with B and ends in acteria. We did it! It says many infectious diseases are caused by bacteria, which are microscopic, single-celled organisms that is some of the most widespread organisms in all of God's creation. We found it! Did you know bacteria can be communicable and non-communicable? That means that some bacteria can be spread from person to person and others cannot. Do you know what an example of a communicable bacteria is? Right, tonsillitis. What's another type of disease that can be caused by a communicable bacteria? The bubonic plague. That's right. Do you know what a non-communicable disease is? That's right, tetanus. You want to hear something scary? You know how us humans need oxygen to breathe? Well, bacteria that cause tetanus don't need oxygen. That means that they're anaerobic bacteria. If you ever step on something that's metal, you might want to be tested for tetanus or get a tetanus booster. Let's grab our powerful piece of paper and look at our next clue. Can you help me read this clue? I forgot how again. Alright, tell me what it says. What's it say? The answer is virus. What does that mean? Wait, you said virus? I remember what that is. I learned that in my doctorate's program at Yale. A virus is a piece of genetic information that reprograms a living cell to do a different job than what it's supposed to do. What does that mean? Well, you have cells in your body, and each cell has a specific job. What viruses do is infect those cells and reprogram them to do a different job. That means that your cell, which once helped you live, can now turn against you. Do you know what the most common disease caused by a virus is? That's right, it's a cold. Did you know viruses cause more types of infectious diseases than any other type of pathogen? Yeah, me neither. Hey, all this talk about viruses remind me of another pathogen. Have you ever heard of a fungi? Yeast, molds, and mushrooms are examples of fungi. Some of them are poisonous, so I probably wouldn't eat those. Did you know that not many fungi actually cause diseases? But there are some that do, so you gotta be careful. Talks about fungi remind me of a joke. Would you like to hear my joke? What did the fungi say to his friend as they rode the bus? Scoot over, please. You don't leave me much room. Alright, let's look at our last clue. Oh wow! Our last clue also gives us the answer. It says fungi. That means we won! That's good, because I was tired of playing this game. Wait, I just realized we never ran into Stu. I wonder where he could be. Maybe we'll find him next time. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by. Have a good one.